Good afternoon, my name is Peter Bruce, representing Flightvectors Flight Training, and I would like to introduce you to our latest product, the Folding Cockpit Procedure Trainer. Now, a little background first. We've been manufacturing cockpit procedure trainers, aluminium chassis construction, aluminium panels for the last 6 years. We have had zero complaints, zero failures. They are incredibly robust. They're lightweight, they're easy to move. We have also had a lot of demand for a model for the smaller training room, and this is the new folding version. Let me demonstrate. The overhead closes like this. The pedestal, likewise, it has a self-deploying and self-folding leg, and both panels are stable in either position. The pedestal is held up by friction devices. They're variable friction, they're easily user adjusted. Zero friction on the way up, so no effort to lift at all. And it's a gentle push on the way down. So it goes down with one hand and we support it as the leg self-deploys until it's resting on the ground. The overhead can stop in any particular position. It takes finger pressure to move. The overhead panel is set to a safe angle. This is to avoid contact between foreheads, which are vulnerable, and the trailing edge of the overhead, which is not. There is a secondary angle setting available, which reflects the angle of the overhead in the aircraft cockpit itself, but this is significantly lower and it's harder for the students to work with and impossible for the trainer to work with. Another advantage of opening up the chassis in this way is that the trainer can become more easily involved with the students' learning. So the safety features, well, firstly, it is extremely securely mounted to the wall, and it's also stable in any given position. So we can put the overhead panel back like that, and it stays put. Likewise, with the pedestal, take it to the up position, and it's held in position by the friction devices. We also supply a pair of popper base straps which will link the overhead and the pedestal so they can't move at all. If you would like more information, or better still, prices and availability, then please contact us either via the website www.flightvectors.com or via email info@flightvectors.com.